Bozidar Dzmerkovic, painter and graphic artist, born in 1930, graduated at Academy of Arts in Belgrade in 1954 and finished postgraduate studies in 1956, tutored by mentor Prof Marko Čelebonović. Member of Association of Serbian Artists and Belgrade Graphic Artists Society. Exhibits from 1955. Paintings by Bozidar Dzmerkovic express all distinctive features of his plastic perception, whereas his creative energy is with a note of detachment joined with powerful crescendo of drama, seemingly defmed by unexpected artistic rescript. Džmerković is always pursuing vessels of time and art innovations. In 1960s developed as a mature painter and exquisite graphic artist, showing critical thought and refiising to surrender to circumstances and cheap innovations which come quickly find last shortly. Džmerković follows his road. Painting is a holy act for him, as a live evidence that everything can be achieved by painter's technique and scarce artistic means. Many paintings reflect fear, and the other side of reality. Fear is mirrored from objects, shapes, bird song, focused in radiation of the bird. Fear has begun by Merciful Angel, resembling the angel from Imsto Cardinal's poem about apocalypse, with electronic eyes, here with hidden in weight of NATO bombing, which caused the consequences bombing in our mind and soul. Džmerković comes to intimacy, to seek remains of nature in its reflection. Floral motifs, leaves and flowers, bewildered and puzzled, from greenery to touches of yellow and red, from cheerfulness to withiness. Forms of leaves shaped as lungs, as if calling for someone's awareness, demand us to notice them in reflection of whiteness. Even one single leaf is a drama.
Thank you.